If I tell you you can make $1,100 just spending only $300, will you believe me? You see, only $300 spent, and it is guaranteed you will make $1,100. But let me tell you, the cost per click or per average action or per conversion gonna be only $8.42. So the question that you're gonna ask, what type of offer that I'm gonna promote to spend $8 just per uh, the click, the cost per click gonna be almost $9. And if I tell you this thing that you're gonna be promoting will pay you $120 for every conversion. Everyone that spent 2 minutes over the phone, that's gonna be the amount you will be paid. Let me show you clearly. I'm on a website named Offer Vault. Okay? You can see clearly this one. Let me just show you the one that will pay you this amount I said. This one will pay you more than 120. Let's say $130 for 120 seconds spent over the phone. So you will get this money every time someone spent 2 minutes on the phone. This mass start offer will pay you, and they will pay you well money. So it is still active. You can apply now just to promote this offer. Let me show you why I think this offer will convert and you can make a lot of money doing this. Don't forget, as a reminder, you can make 1,100 every time you spend 300 on Google Ads. Not me saying this, it is Google Ads. I'm on the keyword plan. So Google just tell you if you can spend $300 on this offer, that is the projection of how much you can be making, $1,100. So let me see what Google say about this offer, if it is something that I will make money if I promote this. So if I go to Google search and type this keyword mass tort. Mass tort, let's see what is mass tort. Mass tort occurs when many people are harmed by the same act or omission. All of those individual victims have claims against the same defendant arising out of the same circumstances. This case can be combined in a multi-district litigation. So that means if a group of people against one defendant, like one company, has been injured and victim, let's say example like Camp Lejeune. Camp Lejeune is one of the example of mass tort. Mass tort Camp Lejeune. You can see if you tap this keyword mass tort Camp Lejeune, you will see what I'm talking about. There are a lot of people that has been victim by this. So that is a mass tort offer. So as you can see what Google say, when you see the search and you see it's in green, that means it is a good offer to promote right now because the competition is almost inexistent. You can see there is no competition at all. Only 0.05. So I said it's like no one, it's a boulevard in front of you. You can take advantage of this. So promote this. Per month there are 3,600 search per month. That means this offer is an evergreen offer that's gonna convert. So this money is easy to be made. This money is very easy. So let me take a different offer and compare to see what make this offer different and make it possible for you to make that money. So if you just come to this channel, you don't know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a business model named pay per call. You just get paid when you make someone call in a phone number. So some company are ready to pay you even $100 just for one phone call that lasts 2 minutes. So that's the example of this offer you see right here. as you can see, they're gonna pay you $130. So this one, which is in pose, will pay you 200. This other one will pay you 250. Only make people last 3 minutes over the phone. So this is offer that convert like crazy. But let me take a different one, a different offer, or a different problem to see. This is an example of an offer that's gonna pay you $180, but it is a credit repair inbound offer. So if I go do the same thing inside of Google, I just search for this. I'm gonna put this keyword instead, okay? Let me just add a new keyword or make a new search to see what I'm gonna come up with, what I'm gonna find, and to see the difference between the mastort and with this new keyword, credit repair, which is something very generic. A lot of people are searching for this because if their credit are bad, they need solution, they need help with this. So you can see this is the keyword, okay? All the way move, try different URL. So let me just see these keyword, credit repair. There are some of these keywords that has been moved from Google, and you may not be able to target this type of keyword or make search about them because Google may move them. So let's say let's just find another offer that is easy to find result for. So let me just see something, let's say motor vehicle accident. They will pay you from $70 up to $600 for anyone calling for this. You can see you can just have only one phone call, so you make $600. That's insane, guys. That's very insane. So let's see the details about this offer. So qualified callers. Callers was injured in a car, truck, or motorcycle accident. Callers stated that the date of the accident is less than 2 years. Callers stated the accident resulted in injury that resulted in hospitalization, medical treatment, or surgery, or missed work. Callers stated that the accident was all or partially the fault of another party. Callers stated that they are not represented by an attorney for this matter. So anyone who have all these criteria will be qualified and will make $670 anytime they call. So the target is everyone in United States can call, and they receive calls 24/7. That means even if someone called at 2 a.m. in the morning, you will still make the $70. So let's see what we can have with Google Ads and in a projection what Google gonna say about this. So if I just go to Google motor vehicle accident, I type motor vehicle accident. This is a profitable niche, okay? So you can see this keyword, let me see if I write it as I'm supposed to, motor vehicle accident. So you see what Google do right now. Google try to move all these keywords. Let me see result for custom date. Let's see for last month. So for motor vehicle last month, let's say motor accident. Let's add this keyword and put it, make it broad. But if you go inside of Google search, you will see the search for this. So you can see 5,400 people search for this in the last 30 days. So, and you can see the competition is like zero. It's like there is no one calling for this matter. That means you have a boulevard in front of you that you can run ad on this. So let's just type it on Google search, motor vehicle accident. So I know that there are companies ready to pay a lot of money for this if you can bring them targeted phone calls like $70 just for one phone call. You can see, guys, this is what Google tell me about the search volume for this. So let's say for this keyword, okay, let's see the forecast for this keyword. Okay, let's just delete this one. Let's just see if I can remove this one. Okay, and click on the forecast for this. Let's see more. Okay, I click on forecast to see what Google gonna tell me about this keyword. This keyword to see if I can have better result or make more money with this. So let me just put something different, or let me just start over. I want to find a different result to see for the credit repair or for the motor vehicle, what Google gonna tell me if I'm profitable, if I want ads for this matter, will I make money? Let's say motor vehicle accident. Let's see what Google gonna tell me and if there is hope for me to make money using this. So I can see now Google show it's like there is no result for this, but it's just in January. Let's see the result for all available result for all language. Let's see. Let's take till, let's say custom. Let me put it custom to choose my date. Yes. So Google, there are some keyword that Google move. You may not find, this is why you have to be careful. There are some keyword. When you go to the keyword plan, you don't find them. That doesn't mean they don't have good traction, that you won't make money. That doesn't mean that. So you have to let Google know that you will want to run ad on this because there are some conversion for this. Your plan get zero conversion for $0 with $10 every daily budget. That means Google just moved the keyword for this. So if I try the only one that we can try will be, let me just go back and try the motor accident, because sometimes you may not find motor vehicle, but you can try motor accident. It's gonna give you more possibility. Let's say motor vehicle accident. Motor, okay, let's see. Like this one. So I think you may find more result when we do this like that. So try to come up with ideas that you know are gonna work. So let's see the forecast for this keyword to see eventually what I can come up with and what is the possibility for me to make money. You see, this one is not a good targeting keyword for you because you see, one thing I can do, I can just put my projection for the conversion. Let me just see, just put add a conversion metrics. Let's say I want to make 25% out of this, and I know the company will pay me how much it was. I think it was $70. The company ready to pay me $70. Okay, so let me just save it. Okay, $70 and save this to see what I can expect to make as money. So you can see this offer, this is how you know something that's gonna work. So you see for this offer, if I try to promote like motor vehicle or motor vehicle accident, I'm not gonna make money. Even if I put my conversion rate to 25%, I don't make nothing. You see, I have only 3 conversion, and I spent like $300 uh, every single month with $10 budget. So let's see if I try to put the budget more on the budget. Let's say I want to put 100. Okay, let me just see if I can put 100 in here. So you see, even if I put it like this, I'm still not gonna make money, because even the type of conversion that I have, let's choose conversion value and see if there is there is no possibility. So I will spend like $300 to get only 3 conversion, and I'm gonna make only $190. So it is not profitable. So don't want ads for this type of keyword. This is why a lot of people just go and start promoting. They don't have any result. They say it doesn't work. It's because the method you use is not a good method and you don't make money. So I hope this video bring you a lot of value and make you motivate to start making money today. If you need my coaching, you can just text me on princeherly.sylvester. I'm gonna put it on the description. You can have my coaching 101. I'm gonna take you by the hand and help you make your first $1,000 online if you follow every single step that I'm gonna teach you about pay-per-call. It was your friend Vanel. Bye-bye.